Welcome to Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator exam preparation course. Whether you are aiming to enhance your cloud expertise, advance your career, or achieve certifications, you are in the right place. This video is designed to guide you through the essentials of Microsoft Azure, offering practical tips, real-world examples, and everything you need to excel in the exam. After each chapter, there's a Q&A section to reinforce your knowledge. For comprehensive preparations, check the description to access the Audible versions, the free Ultimate Exam Prep Guide, or the Amazon link for the book. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exam updates and practice. Now, to lead you through this journey, here's your instructor.
1. What is the primary function of Azure Virtual Networks VNets? A. Hosting websites. B. Providing isolated network environments within Azure. C. Data storage. D. Running virtual machines. Answer: B. Providing isolated network environments within Azure. 2. In Azure, what is a key feature of implementing virtual networks? A. Unlimited data storage. B. Creating a customizable network infrastructure. C. Physical server management. D. Website hosting. Answer: B. Creating a customizable network infrastructure. 3. What are IP addressing and endpoints used for in Azure VNets? A. Network traffic monitoring. B. Assigning unique identifiers to VMs and services. C. Data encryption. D. Website hosting. Answer: B. Assigning unique identifiers to VMs and services. 4. Network security groups, NSGs, in Azure are used to A. Store data. B. Manage virtual machines. C. Control inbound and outbound network traffic. D. Host websites. Answer: C. Control inbound and outbound network traffic. 5. Azure load balancers are primarily used for A. Data storage. B. Distributing network traffic across multiple servers. C. Website hosting. D. Managing user access. Answer: B. Distributing network traffic across multiple servers. 6. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure VNets allows for A. Storing more data. B. Creating a hybrid network environment. C. Hosting websites. D. Running virtual machines only. Answer: B. Creating a hybrid network environment. 7. What is the significance of IP addressing in Azure VNets? A. It is used for data storage. B. It assigns unique addresses to resources for identification. C. It is used for physical server management. D. It is primarily for website hosting. Answer: B. It assigns unique addresses to resources for identification. 8. The main purpose of network security groups in Azure is to A. Provide data storage options. B. Control and filter network traffic to VMs and services. C. Manage virtual machines. D. Host websites. Answer: B. Control and filter network traffic to VMs and services. 9. Azure load balancers are used to A. Store large amounts of data. B. Evenly distribute network traffic among servers. C. Exclusively manage user access. D. Host static websites. Answer: B. Evenly distribute network traffic among servers. 10. Creating a hybrid network environment is achieved by A. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure VNets. B. Using Azure for data storage only. C. Hosting websites on Azure. D. Running virtual machines in Azure. Answer: A. integrating on-premises networks with Azure VNets. 11. IP addressing in Azure VNets is important for A. Data encryption, B. Assigning unique identifiers for network communication, C. Physical server configuration, D. Website content management. Answer: B. Assigning unique identifiers for network communication. 12. The primary role of network security groups in Azure is A. Data storage and encryption, B. Managing web hosting, C. Regulating network traffic to and from Azure resources, D. Virtual machine management. Answer: C. Regulating network traffic to and from Azure resources. 13. Azure load balancers help in A. Increasing data storage capacity, B. Balancing network traffic across several servers, C. Managing user identities, D. Physical server maintenance. Answer: B. Balancing network traffic across several servers. 14. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure Virtual Networks enables A. Additional data storage space, B. The creation of an extended hybrid network, C. Exclusive website hosting, D. Running VMs in isolation. Answer: B. The creation of an extended hybrid network. 15. In Azure VNets, IP addressing servers to A. Encrypt data, B. Uniquely identifying resources for network interactions, C. Host websites, D. Manage physical servers. Answer: B. Uniquely identify resources for network interactions. 16. Network security groups, NSGs, in Azure primarily A. Store and encrypt data, B. Filter and control network traffic, C. Host websites, D. Operate virtual machines. Answer: B. Filter and control network traffic. 17. The main use of Azure load balancers is to A. Store large amounts of data, B. Distribute incoming network traffic across multiple servers, C. Manage user access and identities, D. Host static web content. Answer: B. Distribute incoming network traffic across multiple servers. 18. Creating a hybrid network in Azure involves A. Using Azure solely for data storage, B. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure Virtual Networks, C. Hosting websites on Azure, D. Running only virtual machines. Answer: B. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure Virtual Networks. 19. IP addressing within Azure VNets is crucial for A. Data storage techniques, B. Unique resource identification and network communication, C. Website hosting strategies, D. Physical hardware configuration. Answer: B. Unique resource identification and network communication. 20. Network security groups in Azure VNets are used for A. Storing and managing data, B. Managing website content, C. Controlling and filtering network traffic, D. Virtual machine deployments. Answer: C. Controlling and filtering network traffic. 21. How does Azure ensure secure communication within VNets? A. Through website hosting protocols, B. By using network security groups, NSGs, C. Via physical server configurations, D. Through data encryption only. Answer: B. By using network security groups, NSGs. 22. Azure load balancers are essential for A. Managing storage data. B. Balancing computing loads across multiple VMs. C. Physical network management. D. Web application development. Answer: B. Balancing computing loads across multiple VMs. 23. The integration of on-premises networks with Azure VNets is beneficial for A. Increasing physical server space. B. Expanding network infrastructure across cloud and on-premises. C. Data encryption processes. D. Storing static website content. Answer: B. Expanding network infrastructure across cloud and on-premises. 24. In Azure VNets, IP addressing is primarily used for A. Storing data securely. B. Assigning unique network addresses to resources. C. Hosting dynamic websites. D. Physical hardware maintenance. Answer: B. Assigning unique network addresses to resources. 25. Network security groups in Azure VNets primarily function to A. Store data in a secure environment. B. Control and manage web hosting. C. Regulate and secure network traffic. D. Configure virtual machine settings. Answer: C. Regulate and secure network traffic. 26. The primary role of Azure load balancers is to A. Store and manage large datasets. B. Evenly distribute network traffic to prevent overload. C. Handle user identity management. D. Direct traffic for web applications only. Answer: B. Evenly distribute network traffic to prevent overload. 27. Hybrid network environments in Azure are created by A. Exclusively using Azure for data storage. B. Merging on-premises networks with Azure VNets. C. Concentrating on website hosting. D. Focusing on virtual machine management. Answer: B. Merging on-premises networks with Azure VNets. 28. IP addressing in Azure VNets is important for A. Encryption of data in transit. B. Unique identification of networked resources. C. Hosting large websites. D. Managing physical server operations. Answer: B. Unique identification of networked resources. 29. Azure VNets use network security groups to A. Provide data storage solutions. B. Control and filter network traffic for enhanced security. C. Manage website hosting environments. D. Deploy and manage virtual machines. Answer: B. Control and filter network traffic for enhanced security. 30. Azure load balancers primarily function to A. Increase data storage capabilities. B. Distribute network traffic across multiple computing resources. C. Manage user access and security. D. Host and manage websites. Answer: B. Distribute network traffic across multiple computing resources. 31. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure VNets allows for A. Expanding data storage capacity. B. Building a unified network that spans on-premises and cloud environments. C. Encrypting all network communication. D. Hosting static web content only. Answer: B. Building a unified network that spans on-premises and cloud environments. 32. IP addressing within Azure VNets is used for A. Ensuring data security and storage. B. Providing unique identifiers for resources in the network. C. Web development and hosting. D. Physical server configuration and maintenance. Answer: B. Providing unique identifiers for resources in the network. 33. Network security groups, NSGs, in Azure VNets are essential for A. Data storage and management. B. Filtering and controlling network traffic to Azure resources. C. Website hosting and content management. D. Running and managing virtual machines. Answer. B. Filtering and controlling network traffic to Azure resources. 34. The main purpose of Azure load balancers is to A. Manage data storage. B. Balance network load across various compute resources. C. Handle identity and access management. D. Manage physical network infrastructure. Answer. B. Balance network load across various compute resources. 35. Creating a hybrid network with Azure VNets is beneficial for A. Increasing physical data storage. B. Combining on-premises and cloud network infrastructures. C. Focusing solely on data encryption. D. Web hosting purposes only. Answer. B. Combining on-premises and cloud network infrastructures. 36. In Azure, VNets IP addressing is crucial for A. Securing stored data. B. Assigning unique addresses to each resource for networking. C. Hosting and managing dynamic websites. D. Maintaining physical network equipment. Answer. B. Assigning unique addresses to each resource for networking. 37. Network security groups in Azure VNets play a key role in A. Secure data storage. B. Regulating and securing ingress and egress network traffic. C. Managing web hosting environments. D. Virtual machine configuration and management. Answer. B. Regulating and securing ingress and egress network traffic. 38. Azure load balancers are primarily designed to A. Store extensive amounts of data. B. Distribute network traffic evenly across servers. C. Manage user access and permissions. D. Host websites exclusively. Answer. B. Distribute network traffic evenly across servers. 39. Hybrid networks in Azure are created by integrating A. Azure storage with on-premises data centers. B. On-premises networks with Azure Virtual Networks. C. Azure Web Hosting Services with on-premises servers. D. Virtual machines with physical servers. Answer. B. On-premises networks with Azure Virtual Networks. 40. IP addressing in Azure VNets is significant for A. Data encryption and security. B. Uniquely identifying network resources for proper routing and communication. C. Website development and management. D. Managing and configuring physical network hardware. Answer. B. Uniquely identifying network resources for proper routing and communication. 41. What is a major advantage of using Azure load balancers? A. They provide additional storage capacity. B. They help evenly distribute network loads to improve application reliability. C. They are used for physical server management. D. They focus exclusively on web hosting. Answer. B. They help evenly distribute network loads to improve application reliability. 42. In Azure VNets, what role do network security groups play? A. They serve as primary data storage tools. B. They control and filter network traffic for security purposes. C. They are used for managing web content. D. They handle physical server configurations. Answer. B. They control and filter network traffic for security purposes. 43. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure VNets is ideal for creating A. Larger data storage facilities. B. A unified hybrid networking environment. C. Web hosting platforms. D. Virtual machine-only networks. Answer. B. A unified hybrid networking environment. 44. IP addressing within Azure VNets is important for A. Enhancing data storage security. B. Assigning unique identifiers to network resources. C. Web hosting and development. D. Physical network infrastructure maintenance. Answer. B. Assigning unique identifiers to network resources. 45. The primary function of Azure load balancers is to A. Increase storage capabilities. B. Evenly distribute network traffic to maintain application performance. C. Manage user access and security. D. Host and manage websites. Answer. B. Evenly distribute network traffic to maintain application performance. 46. Network security groups, NSGs, in Azure are crucial for A. Storing sensitive data. B. Filtering and controlling network traffic to and from Azure resources. C. Hosting websites and web applications. D. Managing virtual machine settings. Answer. B. Filtering and controlling network traffic to and from Azure resources. 47. Creating a hybrid network using Azure VNets allows for A. Expansion of physical storage solutions. B. Integration of on-premises and cloud network infrastructures. C. Encryption of all network data. D. Dedicated web hosting. Answer. B. Integration of on-premises and cloud network infrastructures. 48. IP addressing in Azure Virtual Networks is used primarily for A. Securing data in transit and at rest. B. Providing unique network addresses for effective communication. C. Hosting dynamic websites. D. Physical server network configuration. Answer. B. Providing unique network addresses for effective communication. 49. The main role of Azure load balancers is A. To serve as primary data storage. B. To balance network loads across various compute resources. C. To handle identity and access management. D. To manage physical network devices. Answer. B. To balance network loads across various compute resources. 50. Network security groups in Azure VNets are primarily used to A. Offer data storage options. B. Filter and manage network traffic for enhanced network security. C. Facilitate web hosting. D. Deploy virtual machines. Answer. B. Filter and manage network traffic for enhanced network security. 51. Integrating Azure VNets with on-premises networks helps in A. Creating larger data centers. B. Forming a cohesive network that spans on-premises and cloud environments. C. Centralizing web hosting services. D. Isolating virtual machine networks. Answer. B. Forming a cohesive network that spans on-premises and cloud environments. 52. In Azure VNets, the importance of IP addressing lies in A. The encryption of data. B. The unique identification of resources for network communication. C. The management of website content. D. The configuration of physical networking equipment. Answer. B. The unique identification of resources for network communication. 53. Azure load balancers are designed to A. Enhance data storage capacity. B. Distribute network traffic evenly to maintain service stability. C. Control user access and security settings. D. Focus solely on hosting websites. Answer. B. Distribute network traffic evenly to maintain service stability. 54. The function of network security groups, NSGs, and Azure VNets is to A. Act as primary storage tools, B. Regulate network traffic for security and efficiency, C. Manage and host web content, D. Configure and maintain virtual machines. Answer: B. Regulate network traffic for security and efficiency. 55. Creating a hybrid network with Azure VNets enables A. The expansion of physical data storage, B. The combination of on-premises and cloud networks for greater flexibility, C. Exclusive focus on data encryption, D. Solely web hosting capabilities. Answer: B. The combination of on-premises and cloud networks for greater flexibility. 56. IP addressing in Azure VNets plays a critical role in A. Enhancing the security of stored data, B. Assigning unique network identifiers for effective routing and communication, C. Web development and hosting, D. Managing physical network hardware. Answer: B. Assigning unique network identifiers for effective routing and communication. 57. Azure load balancers primarily serve to A. Store extensive data sets, B. Balance network load across servers to improve application availability, C. Manage network security and user access, D. Host web applications. Answer: B. Balance network load across servers to improve application availability. 58. The key function of network security groups in Azure VNets is A. To provide secure data storage, B. To control and secure network traffic to Azure resources, C. To facilitate web hosting services, D. To manage the deployment of virtual machines. Answer: B. To control and secure network traffic to Azure resources. 59. Integrating on-premises networks with Azure VNets is crucial for A. Building larger on-premises data centers, B. Establishing a seamless network experience between on-premises and cloud, C. Centralizing all network data encryption, D. Providing web hosting solutions. Answer: B. Establishing a seamless network experience between on-premises and cloud. 60. In Azure Virtual Networks, IP addressing is essential for A. Data encryption and security, B. Uniquely identifying network resources for communication and routing, C. Developing and managing websites, D. Configuring physical network devices. Answer: B. Uniquely identifying network resources for communication and routing.